Welcome to a more secure home network. Now that your gateway is set up, your Wi-Fi network will be protected, along with all your devices that are connected to it, from smartphones, tablets, and computers to connected nanny-cams, thermostats, and other IoT devices. To take advantages of all the features available to you, you will need to download and install the Network Security app. Then with a few clicks, you can customize your protection. Open the D-Link Wi-Fi app. Tap the Settings menu on the top right-hand corner of the home screen. Tap on the Cloud Service icon. If you do not have a D-Link Cloud Services account, tap the Sign Up with Email button or continue with your Facebook or Google account. Alternatively, if you already have an account, tap the Login link at the bottom of the screen. Tap the Login with Email button to access the login screen. Return to the Settings menu and tap the D-Link Defend icon. Agree to the Terms of Service and Privacy Notice and tap Keep Protecting Me. Tap the link to download the app. Once the app has finished downloading, return to the Settings menu of the D-Link Wi-Fi app and tap the D-Link Defend icon to launch your Network Security app. You will be taken to the D-Link Defend app. A window will pop up asking for permission to send you notifications about your network security. We recommend for you to tap Allow so that you can stay up to date with the status of your network. From here, the app will give you a short tour about the features of D-Link Defend and how it can help boost your security level. Swipe left to go through the tour. Next, the app needs to associate your account with your router and connect to cloud services. Make sure that you are connected to your home network. Once the router is detected, the app will associate it with your D-Link Cloud Services account. Once you're connected, tap Let's Go to proceed to the home screen.